Have you ever wondered why your homemade lattes taste nothing like the ones from your favorite coffee shop? The secret isn't just the beans or the brewing method, it's all about that perfect creamy foam on top. Creating barista-quality milk foam at home is easier than you think, but you need the right tool for the job. Let me break down the best milk frothers that will transform your morning coffee routine forever. First up, handheld frothers are your budget-friendly gateway to better coffee. These battery-powered wands cost under $20 and work by whisking air into heated milk. They're perfect for beginners who want to test the waters without a major investment. Just heat your milk, insert the whisk, and watch the magic happen in seconds. If you're serious about your coffee game, consider an electric milk frother. These countertop machines heat and froth simultaneously, giving you cafe-quality results every time. They typically range from $50 to $150, but the consistency and convenience are worth every penny. Many models offer different settings for various foam densities. For the ultimate luxury experience, automatic espresso machines with built-in steam wands reign supreme. While they're a significant investment, usually starting around $300, they deliver professional-grade results that rival any coffee shop. The game changer? Temperature control. The best frothers heat milk to the optimal 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, creating that sweet spot where proteins create stable, long-lasting foam. Here's what most people don't realize. The type of milk matters just as much as the frother. Whole milk creates the richest foam, while alternatives like oat milk are surprisingly effective for plant-based options. Ready to elevate your coffee experience? Start with a handheld frother and work your way up as your skills develop. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffee lover.